and Fahim from grade 9 from Arrahmaan International School. My topic is study the efficiency of ferro fluid which are made from different carrier fluid in cleaning up the oil spills. Oil spill is a type of environmental pollution caused by release of liquid petroleum hydrocarbons into environment due to human activity, especially in seas. Unfortunately, oil spills are increasing every day in world's ocean. Also, the enormous task of cleaning up the oil spills in ocean and seas has been burdening industries, government, and environmentalists for decades. In my project, first I took different types of oils: sesame oil, olive oil, peanut oil, and coconut oil as carrier fluids. Then I prepare different ferro fluid by mixing 20 gram of toner powder and 50 ml of each oil. Each acts as ferro fluid. Then I took 36 petri dish for 3 trials and poured 14 ml of water and 2.5 ml of mineral oil to create a oil spilled water. Then I poured 1 drop and 5 drop of ferro fluid. Then I kept control for the all ferro fluid to check the efficiency of the ferro fluid. I aim to study the efficiency of the ferro fluid from oil removed from water. In my experiment, I came to know sesame oil is the most efficient ferro fluid compared to other oils like coconut oil, olive oil, and peanut oil. The escalating frequency units of oil spill global water bodies necessitates innovative and effective cleanup methodologies. This study investigates the efficacy of the ferro fluid. Oil spill is predominantly caused by human activities. The traditional method of cleaning method also often falls short. Ferro fluid characterized by magnetic nanoparticles suspended in carrier fluids. They emerge as a potential solution. This study specifically examines the ferro fluid which formulates various carrier fluid like peanut oil, olive oil, sesame oil, and coconut oil. This study is not only contributes the potential application of ferro fluid oil remedies and underscores the significance of carrier fluid selection. Sesame oil. In particular, it is emerged as my favorable choice to enhance the efficacy. Thank you.